GoPro on?
I do.
You ready?
Almost.
I'm gonna pull out on the runway.
Okay. Yeah, it's on. Or is it on? I mean, is the red light on? I think so.
Alright, no interference, honey.
Wait, what is that beepy for?
Which way we heading?
Oh, I guess I'm on R6.
But which way we heading?
Lens cap.
That would work too.
Lens cap again. Sons of guns. I don't know. Where you want to go? I'll follow you.
No, I'll follow you.
No, I'll follow you.
Okay. You ready?
Laugh every time I hear a quad playing.
You made it! You made it!
Oh. I got another battery.
So do I.
I got more batteries. Let's go chase guys.
It's doing it again.
What?
Right in that same spot.
All right, I'm coming. I'm coming.
I'm able to just
I'm
sit
coming.
there.
I'm coming. No! Oh, the camera's on the wrong side! No! No! You're clear! I'm not clear! So, you decided to fly your drone back from where you lost control of it towards us at the runway.
You just kind of go into a little high alpha kind of thing.
I'm on a steady throttle, right when I get there, it automatically just like stops.
There's a spot there, and then there's a spot on this side too where you just kind of shoot straight up. Why did my quad just die? I don't know.
Come on, man. Look, there you are out there. Welcome back. Get you some good B-roll. No, I am not making love to your camera. No. I know this from experience. Fat white man cannot jump. Okay, Stefan. There he is. A little concerned that you decided to fly it back to the runway. I don't know. Listen to him out there bitching. Who's taking him so long?
You're quiet for right this second.
Dead on. All right, shut your face. There you go.
My bomb there. You ready, girls?
I'm ready. Yeah. I'm gonna wait till I get in the air. Let's see. Remember, low rates.
Just let me get behind you, okay?
Yeah.
Jason,
Okay. Good. Stay out of the frame.
All right.
You ready?
Up.
All right. Quad's going up. I'm armed, ready to go. Ready? Left pattern, no. Left. Jeez, what the? Left pattern, no.
Where are you going?
Dave only likes going left. All right, Dave, I'll fly smooth, and you form up on me, cause.
Yeah, give me a few minutes.
No, take your time. Take your time.
It's flying a little funky.
Right now, me and Jason. Well.
I'm gonna follow the front legacy.
Okay.
Well, Dave's gonna come up here.
I'm trying to trim mine out because it's flying really weird. There she goes.
Coming around.
Alright, I'm gonna try to drop it back.
Alright. Dave's coming in from your left.
I'm over top.
Whoa, that was awesome.
Ready, Dave? Turn left.
Ooh.
Not into the quad. Whoa! That was fun. This thing's got, I've never had a plane with this kind of power, so I can like just power out of stuff. Yeah, I'll slow down. Let me slow down a little bit there.
Yeah, you're running the radials.
Oh yeah, I got the good motors for the first time ever.
Okay, I'm having issues trying to get on a level plane with you.
Oh, that's funny, level plane. Come here, Dave. I'm going super slow right now. Okay, so
come on. It's like mine just
left.
slowed down.
Oh, I need some boost. There we go. Oh yeah. Going left.
Right over top of you, Doug. Or
Doug? Doug? Wait.
I keep calling him Doug because my one buddy, his last name's Poole, but his first name's Doug. Yeah, see, mine's only running like half power for some reason. I thought it was just because I was running 4-cell, but it's not.
Alright, I'm gonna go up for a roll to the right. Oh, yeah. Oh, God, I'm going the opposite direction of everybody. Oh, God, sorry. Going down the river.
Look at that. Jeff stayed right with you the whole time.
Come on, buddy. Yeah, I gave a little throttle. Sorry about that. Woo.
Okay, now I think
That was a low rates roll too, and it rolled over nice. That's like 50%. Yeah, coming around. Oh yeah! Careful of the tree. Low pass. Semi-low pass. Yeah, I was below you, sorry. Come on, Dave. Can you get in here for just a couple seconds?
popping in and out a little bit. He's too close to you. Ah! What?
Plane!
Somebody's coming in. Oh, it's not you.
I'm getting all this on my head cam though, so that's good. I brought the mic and didn't turn it on. No, maybe I didn't bring it. Oh, Dave!
I'm trying my hardest to catch up. Yeah, you've got like twice the power of me.
Yeah, I'm coming in right now. Yeah, I'm landing from the right, left. I mean, whatever that is.
You ready to land already?
Yeah, I got my 1 minute beep.
That was me.
No, are you sure? No, that was me.
Well, we're both.
I'm landing in the grass, like you guys suggested. No. Saved it. Okay. I gotta keep the throttle low or else the tail lifts off the ground and I don't have any control.
Alright, I'm coming in too.
You touch and go or you're gonna land?
No, I gotta land.
Don't hit me. You bounce like I did.
I didn't use my flaps. I forgot to use my flaps.
Here, pull up next to me.
Oh, nailed it.
Pull up next to me. Come right out towards us.
Where's this get
You guys got batteries?
No, I did not bring another battery. I can go get one though. I'm trying to get a shot here, man. Oh.
My poor warp wing.
All right, come on in. That was beautiful. That's fitting for the day.
That was fun.